Hello, friends. Welcome to Fun Ashanti Tree. Fun Ashanti Tree, your oral tree program. This is your host, Antiaba, a lifelong tree and fancy teacher. Today we are going to look at another thing. We will continue with what we did the last time. Assuming you are in a car, the driver is speeding, you want to tell him to slow down. You are good to say this. Owura, meserɛ wo, tobo ase. Owura, meserɛ wo, tobo. Owura, meserɛ wo, tobo. Tobo. Gentleman, please slow down. Gentleman, please slow down. Again, you can continue to say that. Me pentamo die nanso towo. Me pentamo die nanso towo. Though I'm in a hurry, but slow down. Though I'm in a hurry, but slow down. Shall we say it slowly? Owura, meserɛ wo, towo. Owura, meserɛ wo, towo. Gentleman, please be patient. Slow down. Mepɛ ntɛm deɛ nanso towo. Mepɛ ntɛm deɛ nanso towo. Though I'm in a hurry, but slow down. Thank you so much for listening.